はいいですか?
Let's go!
Start off by dumping out all your chicken wings. And then we're going to pat them down on both sides. Rid of that excess moisture. Then once everybody's nice and dry, we're going to season them with just a little sprinkle of salt. Rub it in. Dump all of those wings into a bowl. Add a splash of sake. And then some ginger as well. Give everybody a good rub. This gets any of those nasty smells out. Add in some starch into a bowl and coat with starch. Now let's move over to the flame. Add in a bunch of cooking oil, start on the heat, and then add in your chicken straight away. Apparently cooking them this way makes the starch stick a lot better. And then pull out once golden. In a wee fry pan, add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, mirin and sake. And then once you've got all of those in there, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and then garlic. Mixity mix, and then get it all nice and syrupy. Now then, the last thing to do is coat all of your fried chicken wings. Slosh everybody about, make sure everyone is dripping in that sauce, and then plate them up with some sesame seeds. In terms of tips, the biggest one we have is to make sure that you put your chicken in the cold oil and bring them all up to 180 degrees together. That'll keep all that starch on and give it all nice and crispy. Do that and you should be absolutely fine. If you like what we do this practically every other day. So leave us a comment and maybe subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.